Unboxing. Ooh. Exciting. Ugh. Guess what we're doing today? So having fun here sitting in Fort Rain. Had to cut the exhaust off. I crunched the end when I went off-roading and tweaked my bumper, so had to go anyway. We're doing exhaust later. Today we're doing truss, so had to unhook everything, shocks off and everything. I gotta remount them back there. Zoom you out a bit. There we go. Mount some shocks up here-ish to go to there, to have a truss across there, and then repeat on this side. So new brake lines, I don't want to cook. They were in temporary, so I knew I was doing this. So we are prepped. I have to chop the ends off of the truss because I am now running a spring over kit. So usually bump stops, but no more. No more bump stop. So let us get to it. Chopping shit again. So, one mild small fire later, we got her in place. Had to chomp the ends off, but we'll cap that later, make it look good. So, it's fitting pretty good. Gonna notch a hole out for my brake line here, just because I'd rather it fit there nice and happy than drill a new hole and tap it. So, yeah, keep everything kind of factory location and length. Got a lot of cleaning to do, and then we tack her in and probably finish there today. Let's get wire brush in here, or wire wheel is the best way. Yeah, we'll do that. Woo! What a day. So, just got back on the ground. I did weld it with a diff in the vehicle. I lifted the body up, put on jack stands, dropped the diff down and supported the weight with that. I didn't want to have it being forced up or down, whether it's by the springs or the jacks. I don't want to flex it more than I may have. So, did all that. Took some time. I've been out here for about 2 hours, just slowly welding these sides. I did not weld the axle tubes. 9 times out of 10 they will crack. And I don't have welding blankets here, so down the road maybe we'll do the tubes to the center section, but for now it's good enough. Brake lines I routed to the front, had to squeeze them by, and I will remount it here. The breather I moved to this side with one of the brake hold down bolt holes. I drilled it out, threw it over here, so I'll run that up to the frame. As she sits, that's the truss install. Not the best welds, but it's not too bad. I guess next clean the rest up and paint. Won't happen today, so it might be a separate episode. Just ran out of time again, so got the main part on. That's good enough for me. I have some tidying up I want to do, box it in a little more in some spots, but for now we're done. Time to clean up. Yay.